Hello everyone, welcome to A.M.B channel. Today we have this lab NTP, Network Time Protocol, Network Management. I have two servers here, NTP Server 1, NTP Server 2, and two clients, NTP Client 1, NTP Client 2. I have been pre-configured all IP addresses and also OSPF1 in all routers. So let's start with configuring NTP. Simple topology here. So first I'm gonna do this in NTP server 1 and 2 by configuring the time and date. How to do this? Type clock set. Now type first hour. I'm gonna type random time 2 with minutes 15 with seconds 00. Okay, day is gonna be of the month 2 April. Oh, not April, Jan 18, like this. Same command on NTP server 2. Okay, show clock here, and here we go. Now let's start with our scenario. Now step 1, configure NTP server 1 and NTP server 2 to be NTP masters. Use stratum number 5. Here NTP server 1, NTP server 2. I'm gonna choose stratum number 5 in both routers here. So let's go here. First router 1, NTP master 5. Same command on router 2. Go global mode. Same command here. Now finish step number 1. Now let's go to step number 2. Make sure NTP server 1 and NTP server 2 synchronize with each other. Okay, synchronize with each other. Easy. Only one command in both routers. NTP peer IP address of interface F00 here 10.00.2. The IP address of interface F00 on NTP server. Oh, sorry, I am in server 2, so it's gonna be 1 here. Now I am on NTP server 2, so it's gonna be NTP peer the IP address of interface F00 on NTP server 1, like this. Same command on router 1, NTP server 1, NTP peer 10.00.2 IP address of interface F00 on router 2 or NTP server 2. Okay, simple, just one command. Now to step 3, router NTP client 1, sorry here, has to be check router NTP server 1 and NTP server 2 for NTP updates. It has to prefer NTP server 1. Okay, NTP client 1, you're gonna get the clock and date from both routers, but I'm gonna choose NTP server 1 to be preferred. How to do this? Go to NTP client 1, global mode, type these commands: NTP server IP address of NTP server 2, 192.168.1.2. Here I have this subnet here, interface F01 on NTP server 1, 1.1, here 1.2, and interface F00 on NTP client 1, 1.3. Now I did type NTP server IP address of interface F01 on NTP server 2. Second command, same NTP server IP address of interface F01 on NTP server 1. Also, I'm gonna add prefer. That's it. Step 4, configure router NTP client 1 so it broadcasts NTP packets on its interface fast Ethernet 01. Here I'm gonna type commands on interface F01. So router 3 NTP client 1 gonna broadcast the NTP packets that it gets from NTP server 1 or server 2 to NTP client 2. So go here, interface NTP client 1, NTP F01 here, and type this command, NTP broadcast client. That's it. Only one command. Now for the final step here. Last step, configure router NTP client 2 so it configures itself using the NTP broadcast packets from router NTP client 1. It's easy. Now go to NTP client 2 on interface F00 here. NTP client 2 interface F00 and type this command, NTP broadcast NTP broadcast client. Sorry, I did something wrong on router 3 here. It should be only NTP broadcast, not client. It's gonna be NTP broadcast only. Okay, here in NTP client 1 on interface F01 is gonna be NTP broadcast. On NTP client 2 and interface F00 it's gonna be NTP broadcast client to get the NTP packets from NTP client 1. That's it. For troubleshooting, type this command, go to router 1 first, show NTP status like this. Okay, stratum 5 synchronized. Okay, here is the time that I did set before. Also on router 2, show NTP status here, synchronized, stratum 5, same. Now let's go to router 3 and type show clock to make sure that I got the right time and date. Here we go. Check router here. Okay, show clock. Here we go. Same. Now to router 4, same command, show clock, and here we go. Write time and date. Easy, simple, only one command for each router. Easy, simple, NTP network time protocol, basic and simple configuration here. Thank you for watching. Until next time.